code. You're going to code. You keep quiet, you keep yourself busy and quiet. Right, they ask you to do this, divided by that. First thing is swap it around. Have a look at it, what have you got? You've got a common factor, take it out, you're left with that. This is a square, you can just split it up. Y, 3, 3, minus and plus. This one the same here. X, 4 and 4, y and y, minus and plus. Take this to the front, because this is common. You put that in a bracket. Now you cancel out that, and that's your answer. What's left is your answer. Leave it there. Number 30, the simplest one. Angle X is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 because this is a straight line. Or you could have said, this one here, you could have said angle Y is equal to 120 minus 80 because this is an exterior angle. Right? Now we've got that one. Now you say Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 plus 60, which you just worked out. 140 gives you 40. These will add up to 180, which is your triangle. Or you could have done it like this. You work backwards. If you had that one as 40, you said angle X is equal to 180 minus that because that is the triangle. And you get your answer. Right. Because you pause that. They've given you all of that. They give you just that one. So you immediately you know, you say angle 1 is equal to this angle here, DGH, is equal to 38 because these two lines are equal. DG is equal to DH. Then you can work out that one using a triangle. You can say angle 2 is equal to 180 minus that gives you 104. Now you can say angle 4. You can say angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 104 because ABC is straight. You could have done that one. This one is equal to, if you add up these two because that's straight. That's what I did here. Angle 4 is equal to 38. But I could also do it like that. That it's alternate angles of a parallel line. Okay? I can also do this one and say this angle here is equal to this angle. Add those two now. But we're going on angle 6. Angle 6 is equal to angle 4 equal to 38 because they are opposite angles of a palm. This is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Angle 5 here is equal to 180 minus 38. That is co-interior angles. They add up to 180. Those two are parallel. Angle 10 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 142. Opposite angle of a palm. Angle 9. Subtract from 180. You get that one. Angle 7. You can either use it as alternate angles, with those two parallel, or you can just subtract it from 142, which is a straight line. Okay? Right? And then angle 8 is that one. Is equal to angle 5, alternative angles, and this is parallel. Okay, that's that one there. That's it.